I'm back to recording. I found this little pullout right here. This is pretty rad stop, right? Anyway, I did just a little jaunt recording, coming back down the way that I came on the little back road that I know and love so much. Wanted to record it in 4K in the lower FPS. I don't know, looking to try something a little bit more cinematic since I haven't done that yet. So, pulled off right here, switched the camera up a little bit, pretty cool. Some dude just pulled up behind me in the truck and he was like, hey, and he's like, oh, I'm sorry, I thought you were somebody else. I'm like, alright, sounds good. I mean, you can't tell me somebody owns this little bit and is waiting to build a house on this tiny little ledge, so. But if they are, I stand corrected and I will... Woo, little burnout right there. Phew. This is what everybody needs grums for. Hooligan around. Yeah, I mean, by all means, if I was in the wrong